Hey everybody, this is Omar from Tutorials Hub and welcome back to another video. In this one, we will be discussing how to export a code in Figma. So it is quite simple guys, nothing difficult. What you need to do is simply, the first thing that you can do is head over to the link in the description to simply support to our channel as we work really hard creating this type of videos and finding the solutions that fit your needs. Alright, so exporting your code in Figma, the first thing is run Animas plugin in Figma edit mode. Once you do here, as you can see, you can head over to this library section. So those of you who know basics of Figma, you can simply head over to here. Then you're going to be selecting get code. After clicking get code, select HTML, React, and the code, which is also the code packages also are also available. And then you're going to be, when your design is successful, send to Anima's web app and you will get notified in the Anima's plugin. So click go to Anima and open browser tab with a preview of Figma design, then click export export code and download. Once you do that, in order to change the code frameworks, click the settings icon under the export code, and yeah, so you will get your package. So that is pretty much it for this video, and I hope you learned how to get your code out of Figma. It is really handy for backend developers and front-end developers as well. So yeah, I hope this helps. Make sure to let us know in the comments below what else you want to see upcoming next onto our channel. And with that being said, make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply donate as well. Do not forget to do that. Yeah, thank you so much and see you in the next video.